Hello there. There's some very stormy weather on the cards over the next couple of days. The Met Office have issued an amber warning. That's the second highest type of warning issued by the Met Office for some very strong winds, particularly across the southwest of England and South Wales. Now, why is it so unseasonably unsettled at the moment? Well, it's partly down to the position of the jet stream. Now, the jet stream is a fast-moving ribbon of air in the upper atmosphere, around about a mile above our heads. Quite often this time of year, the jet stream is well to the north of the UK, drawing in milder air from the south. But at the moment, you can see this kink in the jet stream just to the south of the UK. Now, that's going to be drawing in weather systems, low pressure systems that are going to be piling in from the Atlantic. And we're under the influence of one of those weather systems at the moment. A deep area of low pressure. We don't often see low pressure this deep at this time of year, piling in from the Atlantic, pushed across the UK by that jet stream. You can see the very tight isobars associated with this area of low pressure, and where we get tight isobars, that means some very windy conditions. So the winds are really going to be strongest across the southwest of England and southern Wales. Spiralling around the area of low pressure is not just going to be windy, but it's going to be pretty wet too over the next 48 hours or so. We're going to see rain piling in a northeasterly direction across the UK. Combined with those strong winds, we could see some fairly widespread damage across parts of the southwest of England. For instance, some trees down, disruption to travel likely as well. Heading through the course of this evening and overnight, the winds continue across the UK, blowing the rain further north. So the emphasis of the heavy rain by Friday, probably across parts of Wales, Northern Ireland, Northern England and Scotland too, seeing a deterioration in conditions. So there is likely to be some travel disruption due to the very strong winds through the course of Thursday and Friday. Your best bet is to keep tuned to your BBC local radio station for the latest on any travel disruption. So Friday is going to be another windy day yet again, particularly across southern counties of England and Wales. Wales could well see some very heavy rain on Friday as well, so localised flooding could also be a risk. Across southern counties of England, it will brighten up and dry up for a time, and those winds should start to ease in the south as we head through the latter part of Friday and into the weekend too. So some improvement on the horizon, but certainly for the next few days, a lot of severe weather on the cards. Keep tuned to the BBC Weather website for the latest on all that severe weather. Bye-bye.